Guys, it's me, Bailey. I'm back with another video. The lighting is pretty bad right now. I don't know why. And I'm going live. And here I am. Say hi, guys. Guys, I'm gonna quit. Get it. Hi, guys. Yeah, and I'm just going live right now. Please follow me on Instagram. So yeah. I'm going to be doing a video with my monkey. He's being really quiet. Here he is. Yeah. So, I'll be right back. So, let's start. Let me first get him. Come on, Bubba. So, here he is. And I'm going to show you some tricks and stuff he can do. He is, like, I don't know why it's that quality. So, when you, like, rub him, he likes it. He usually goes cuckoo, but I guess he likes it. You like that? And I don't know if he's going to do it, but on my live, you should go back to my live. He was going cuckoo. He was laughing because I was tickling him. Yeah. Something he can do. Look at Mama. See, he blows me kisses when I blow at him. Good boy. Yeah, and his name is Charlie. So, I told you in my slime video that I was going to do a video with him. Say hi, guys. Yeah, give me a kissy because I gave you one. Yeah, here he is. I'm going to just show him mine. Look at that baby. Look at him, guys. Look at him, guys. He's really cute. Yeah, he's getting tired. But, I'm probably going to go let him climb. Here, you want to come over here, baby? Yeah, he usually be quiet here. Okay, there. And he's being quiet now because I'm letting him climb. Oh, let me go over here. Yeah. Look there. He's hanging. Next to hang around and climb. So, yeah, please subscribe to this. I'm talking to my live real quick. And, yeah, so this is just a short little video.